Hello, and thank you for taking part in our Contractor Dashboard training. My name is Heidi Sawyer, and I'll be leading you through this innovative way to help your business save both time and money. If you have any questions, you can always contact your territory representative. Let's get started, shall we? The dashboard has 4 basic functions. First, we offer you many excellent organizational tools to help you keep your ducks in a row. Second, we offer you many industry-specific resources and links to help you stay on the cutting edge. Third, the dashboard brings you the ability to send and receive estimates on jobs in your area. And finally, we offer you a place to communicate and keep track of all of your subcontractors. There are 4 tiers of accounts you can have. The first one is the Ranch, which is a free basic account. The next one is the Cape, which gives you access to 250 potential customers. Then we have the Colonial, which gives you access to 700,000 potential customers, plus the subcontractor features. And the last one is the Mansion, which gives you full access to every tool we offer, plus access to 2 million potential customers, with even more available should you choose. Once you log into the dashboard, you can see all of these features for yourself. Here we can go from different subscription plans to allow more access to the site. This window is the first window you will see after the first login. It can also be accessed if you click on the Upgrade from the Accounts tab. This provides a summary of the monthly charges. This secure transaction window will appear next. Once completed, the information is saved. Next, we select which categories we want to be set up for. And then click on Save Category. Now we select which states to work in. And then click on Next. Here we select the specific towns or cities we wish to work in. And then click on Save. Here we keep track of how many people live in your selected areas. We can also set up our area by radius. We set how large of a radius from the contractor city here. Now we select the specific towns we wish to work in. And then click on Next. Again, we can keep track of how many people live in your selected areas. The Accounts tab on the top right-hand side of your page. Here you can upgrade your profile from one tier to another. Edit your profile so other customers and clients can learn more about you, and see and edit your billing information. Let's take a look at how you can set up a customer with a project and then submit a request for estimates. This is the most important and useful tool on home building estimates, where we can help you find subs and organize your business. First, we need to enter our clients into our system. You can find this section on the top left of the dashboard. We click on Add Customer, enter their name, and click Quick Add. In the next screen, we can edit the customer's information, like contact information and notes. We can link a client to an already existing project or set of prints. We can track all correspondence here as well. By using Home Building Estimates Customer Organizational System, you never have to worry about losing track of your clients again. Next, we need to upload our prints for our new project. Once we click on Prints on the top of the dashboard, we will see this page. To add new prints, click on Upload Prints. The first pop-up lets us connect the prints to a specific customer or project. We need the prints to be already loaded on the computer we are using. By clicking on Select Files, we open up another window to find the appropriate files. Now you never have to wonder where your files are. Our servers are backed up often and everything is saved on our cloud network. Now we can set up a request for estimates. This is the heart of home building estimates, and it's what makes us so unique. It is easier and faster than hand delivering prints, and you can send a request to multiple subs in just one step. We find Get Estimates on the dashboard right on top. The first screen lets us enter the basic information about our project. The city and zip code field is crucial. This is what tells our system which subs to send your request to. You will only be able to send the project to subs who are set up in the given zip code or city that you choose. The dates are important because it tells the subs when your estimate is due by, plus it gives the project start date. On the bottom, we have the ability to select which prints go with the specified project, plus options to search for prints by customer. On this next screen, we can select which jobs we need completed. We can select multiple jobs here if needed. On the third screen, we can set up specific options for every category we selected. Plus, we can select the prints for that specific job. For example, we don't need our plumber to see our electrician's prints. Next, we can see all the subs in the network for a given city or zip code. Feel free to select as many or as few subs as needed. There is also an option to look at their profile so you can learn more about them and their business. The final screen lets us send the project off. Nothing is complete until you click Finish. Let's take a look at what a sub sees when they receive a request for an estimate. They will see a notification on the upper right corner. If they signed up for text notifications, they will also receive a text message to their phone. They can also access their requests under Get Estimates tab on the top by selecting the View RFPs Received option. In case you were wondering, RFP stands for Request for Pricing. They will see a list of all of the RFPs they have received. They can click on the job title to see the details of the project. Here they see all of the information sent by the contractor, plus an option to respond with their estimate, or to ask any questions they may have. Under the Messaging tab, you can track all of your correspondence. This helps you make sure that you never miss a message. Now that we have a project all set up, let's look at some of their other organizational tools to help keep everything in line. On the top middle of the dashboard, we have the Project Management tab. Click here to see the budgets and the project selection pages. From the Budgets page, click the Add Budget button to set up a new budget for our project. On the first pop-up, we can specify which customer and project to associate our new budget with. After we click Add, we will have all the applicable categories on the left-hand side. We select the categories we need to keep track of, then fill in our allowances, costs, and other important notes on the right. By using the built-in budget feature for home building estimate, we can keep track of every dollar and make sure we run our business as efficiently as possible. The project selection feature runs just like the budget feature. Once we select the project selection option on the top, we can click the Add Project Selections button to get going. Again, the first pop-up allows us to connect the project selections to a specific client or project. Click Add to proceed. Just like with the budget feature, we can select the applicable categories on the left, and then fill in the appropriate selections on the right. The Project Selections feature helps you to make sure that you always have the right information ready to run your projects just as your client specifies. No more worry about forgetting which trim was selected. To keep track of all of your subcontractors, we have added the Subcontractors tab at the top right of the dashboard. Here we can set up all of our subs and make sure they get all of our prints in a timely and efficient manner. These subs will appear at the top of any request for estimates that you set up, so you always can make sure your preferred subs get access to your jobs. Well, that covers most of the tools that are available through Home Building Estimates to help you save time and money. Now let's take a quick look at all of the links and resources we have available on the left-hand side. Here we can do everything from help you set up contracts to look up an appraiser. Here we give you access to downloadable and editable business forms and blank contracts. As a business owner, you understand how important it is to have a solid contract in place in case anything goes wrong. You can use all of our pre-made forms free of charge to keep your business running smoothly. Ever run into trouble having to find billing codes for a new area that you're working in? Here we give you the links to get to the proper codes and permits for any city and zip code you need. Simply type in the area you are working on, and out comes a link to that municipality's information. We keep our records updated regularly, so you never have to worry about being out of date. Finally, we give you access to look up local appraisers, building designers, drafting consultants, engineers, or septic designers, all by city or zip code. To ensure that you always have the local help you need, we are always looking for the best professionals in every part of the country. Also, on the very bottom, you have access to local suppliers, so you can always get the tools you need to get the job done right. Thank you again for watching our training on how to get the most out of your contractor's dashboard. We hope you enjoyed learning about all the exciting features we offer and how we can help you grow and organize your business. Again, please feel free to contact your territory representative with any specific questions, as they are here to help. We hope you enjoyed the training. Thank you for your time and have an outstanding day.